There are three main components required when using ChatGPT for social media posts: the prompt, the generative AI tool, here ChatGPT, and the social media post. Let's make an Instagram caption as an example. First, you need to create the prompt. Use a prompt tool to save time. Just add your input and copy-paste the prompt. Add it into ChatGPT. Then, let the artificial intelligence generate a draft for you. He is now your new assistant. Last, copy-paste the draft into your Instagram post. Here you can see I am publishing my Instagram posts directly from Canva. Remember to fine-tune the content. Then publish. The same exact procedure can be used for LinkedIn posts, as well as Pinterest pins and tweets. I recommend using a prompts tool to save time. You can build one by yourself or check out Farron's template on Etsy or on farron.eu.